It was a special day for little Eagle because it was his birthday. Yippee! He was 1 year old. It was just a year ago when he cracked out of his shell. He used to be an egg, but now he's an eagle. Yippee! He had a wonderful present on the couch with a big red bow, and he wanted to open it so badly. I wonder what's in this present. Oh, I want to see what's in there. Just one little peek. No peeking, said his mother. Aw, come on, Mom, just one little peek. Not one little peek until after dinner. Oh, all right. Suddenly, the eagle felt some thread tickling his head. It was leading him to the kitchen, so he followed it. The thread led Eagle to the kitchen table, and there was his favorite, a fish sandwich. Yum! Yum, yum, yum! He ate it. Thanks, Mom! You're welcome! And the thread that was tickling his head led him to the stove, and there was a big slice of bread with blueberry spread. Oh boy! Yippee! And he licked the blueberries and nibbled on them. Oh, thanks, Mom! You're welcome! Then he decided to follow the thread outside. Little Eagle made it to the beach. There was a seat of wheat that he loved to sit in. Oh, this is so cozy! Oh, the waves are beautiful. The waves put him to sleep. He lay down in his soft little bed of wheat, and soon he was asleep. But it wasn't long before the little thread tickled his head. Oh, and he started to wake up. Oh, I need to fly home. My party. I'm going to miss my party. And so little Eagle flew off. Little Eagle made it home, and in the kitchen it smelled delicious. Ooh, Mom, smells great. What are you making? Oh, it's a surprise. No peeking. And she continued with her baking. Little Eagle spotted a big bead on the floor. There was a note inside. I need to see what it says. So he pulled it out. So little Eagle read the note. Take the bead outside and find a seed. Take the seed, put it in the bead. Then take the bead and plant it. This sounds mysterious. Okay. So little Eagle went outside to plant his bead. He looked around for a seed to put inside the bead. Oh, there's one. He took the seed and put it in the bead, and he planted it. Little Eagle came back with his watering can. He watered the spot with the seed in the bead. Okay, I'll just wait. I'll go and set down my pot, my watering pot. He didn't hear anything. He came over to check his little plant. I don't see anything. I'll just go home. But suddenly, he heard some rustling. And he turned around, and there before him grew a big plant of beads. Oh, wow! I've got some beads. Oh, that seed with the bead grew a big, tall plant. And he climbed up on top. So Little Eagle climbed the beads all the way to the top of a mountain. Wow! I've never been on the top of a mountain before. I'm on the very peak of the mountaintop. This is exciting. Hello, everyone. Little Eagle turned around. There was a sign on the flag. It says, "Go home." Oh, I'm going to miss my party. Eagle flew quickly home. Oh, goodness. Little Eagle's been sleeping all afternoon. Oh, yeah, we should wake him up for his birthday right now. Little Eagle, wake up, wake up. What? What's going on? Happy birthday. Oh, happy birthday, son. Oh, what happened? I was flying back home after climbing a bead plant. It was interesting. You have been dreaming all afternoon. You haven't even eaten lunch. Oh, wow. It all seems so real. Now you can open your present. Yippee! So Little Eagle, peeked in his bag. Oh, it's a bunch of books. You got me a big bag of books. Thank you, Mom and Dad. You're welcome. And now, let's go to the kitchen. We're going to celebrate your birthday. Yippee! We're having steak, son, your favorite. Oh, great! And so, the three went to the kitchen to celebrate Little Eagle's birthday. Oh, hello there. It's me, Ellie. I hope you're doing well today. Okay, so today we are talking about the EA combo. We've done this in the past with its main sound, but it can have 3 different sounds. Okay, so set that aside, assistant. You remember our story? Okay, we were celebrating Little Eagle's birthday. Remember the wings is very important. Okay, well, Little Eagle was once a baby egg. Okay, so there's our for egg. No wings, just by itself. And then he hatched. And he was a little eagle. And then he became 1 year old. And they celebrated his birthday. So we always code our letters with wings when it says E for eagle. Okay, so behind these doors, I have the 3 sounds that the EA can make. Okay, assistant, behind door number 1 is... It is the EA with eagle wings. So it's just going to say E. Shh, this doesn't say anything. Shh, it's in gray. So this one is just E for eagle. Okay, the next one, please. Behind door number 2, we have... Oh, okay, this is nothing. It's in gray. Shh, but look at this one. It is for egg, like Little Eagle when he was in the egg, okay? All right, just like this. Okay, so we'll set that aside, assistant. And then our last one behind door number 3 is just A for acorn, okay, because this is in gray. So, shh, don't wake it up. It's just A for acorn, and this is not used very much. Oh no, but we will code it so you will know. Okay, so that's what we're going to go over today. Voila! Oh, hi guys. So, in our story, Little Eagle fell asleep on the couch, and in his dream he had some thread that kept tickling his head. So, Little Eagle, stay right there. Here we go. We have thread. had thread on his head. That's so silly. In his dream, he had thread on his head. Oh my, hello there. And so in our story, in Little Eagle's dream, he went down to the beach and he had a seat of wheat and he was very comfortable. Okay, so here he is on his seat. So here we have, we need the E for eagle combo. There we go with the eagle wings. Eat. Seat. He had a nice seat. And if I move this down, put this up here, and getting fancy, huh? He had a seat of eat. Wheat. A seed of wheat. Hi guys, it's time for letter art. Oh yeah. Okay, so in our story, Little Eagle, this was in his dream, he found a bead and it had a note inside and it told him to plant the bead. Well, it made a bead plant, okay, and he climbed up the beads. Okay, well, that is what we are going to draw. We're going to draw Little Eagle climbing up the bead plant. Okay, get a dark marker, please, and here we go. Okay, first draw a bead. Okay, now we're going to draw his head poking out. Okay, we're going to draw a beak. We're going to go a little simpler than his. We're just going to make a V. And then close up the top, curve, and just 2 dots for eyes, some little bangs. Okay, we're going to draw his little wings. He's holding on. Okay, there's one. We're going to do another one. Okay, and then we're going to draw another bead, and we're going to start here, but we'll go to here and don't go through. Okay, and you can draw as many as you want, just go all the way down the page. Okay, and whatever you have left. And then we're going to add more on top. Keep going, just the same thing. You can draw until you don't have any more room. Okay, we're going to... Don't really think you'd see too much of his body, so I think we're going to put some legs over here. So a little line curve and another one, and his little foot. Other side, same. Oh, that's funny. Okay, there he is. He's climbing up the bead plant, which is what we're going to spell. Okay, I need a B. I need an E with eagle wings. Get a brown marker or crayon. Okay, I need a silent A that doesn't say anything. Shh, don't wake it up. Okay, and I need a D. Good. Okay, B-E-D. Bead. Great. Okay, now I need plant. Ooh. Ah, I need a red crayon or marker. A for apple. Okay, now I need a and then a T. Good. Oh, ant. Plant. Bead, plant. And that's what we drew. We drew Little Eagle climbing up the bead plant. Good job, guys. Okay, so our last sound that we're going to go over, the third EA combination, is this one. And this doesn't say anything. Shh. But this one does, and it just says A. A for acorn. You know, little acorn, our squirrel friend. Okay, so not very many words have this in it, but if it does, you can code it like this. Okay, so for Little Eagle's birthday, he had a surprise, and his dad said, "You're gonna have steak, son. It's your favorite." And so that is what we are going to spell. Okay, so here we go. Zoom in. All right, here we go. A. Ache. Steak. And there's a picture of it. That's little Eagle's favorite. And don't forget our list.